Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top 10 places to visit in the United Kingdom. Whether you're a local or a tourist, this beautiful country has a lot to offer. From historic cities to stunning landscapes, there's something for everyone. So sit back, relax and let's get started. Starting off our list is the historic city of Bath. Known for its stunning Georgian architecture and Roman baths, this city is a must-visit for any history lover. Visitors can also enjoy a relaxing soak in the Thermae Bath Spa or take a stroll through the picturesque Royal Crescent. At number 9 we have the stunning Lake District. This beautiful region of England is home to some of the country's most spectacular scenery, with its rolling hills, crystal clear lakes and quaint villages. It's a great place for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a variety of activities such as hiking, cycling and boating. Next up on our list is the charming Scottish capital of Edinburgh. From its famous castle to its historic old town, there's no shortage of things to see and do in this city. Be sure to check out the Royal Mile, a street that runs through the heart of the city, and the famous Edinburgh Fringe Festival, which takes place every August. At number 7 we have the mysterious Stonehenge. This ancient monument has fascinated visitors for centuries and continues to be one of the most popular tourist destinations in the UK. Whether you're a history buff or just curious, a visit to Stonehenge is a must. The Cotswolds come in at number 6 on our list. This picturesque region of England is known for its rolling hills, quaint villages and historic country homes. It's a great place to relax and soak up the countryside, and there's plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities like walking and cycling. At number 5 we have the bustling city of Liverpool. Known for its rich cultural heritage and musical history, Liverpool is a must-visit for anyone interested in the arts. Visitors can explore the birthplace of the Beatles or take a stroll along the famous Albert Dock. Of course, no list of top UK destinations would be complete without the capital city of London. From its iconic landmarks like Big Ben and Buckingham Palace to its world-renowned museums and galleries, there's always something to see and do in this vibrant city. Snowdonia comes in at number 3 on our list. This beautiful region of Wales is known for its stunning landscapes and rugged terrain. It's a great place for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a variety of activities such as hiking, climbing and cycling. And of course, visitors can't miss the opportunity to climb to the summit of Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales. At number 2 we have the historic city of York. Known for its medieval walls and stunning Gothic architecture, York is a must-visit for any history lover. Visitors can explore the famous York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe, or take a stroll through the cobbled streets of the historic Shambles. And finally, coming in at number 1 on our list is the stunning Scottish Highlands. This region of Scotland is known for its rugged landscapes, crystal clear lochs and abundant wildlife. It's a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, and there's plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing and wildlife watching. And there you have it, our top 10 places to visit in the United Kingdom. Whether you're a local or a tourist, there's something for everyone in this beautiful country. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see where your travels take you next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.